Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing recipe for you, teriyaki salmon. It's incredibly delicious, quick to make, and requires just a few simple ingredients. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need fresh salmon fillets, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, honey, and some sesame seeds for garnish. That's it, only 5 ingredients. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Now, let's prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, mix together equal parts of teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, and honey. This combination creates the perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors. Next, place the salmon fillets on a lined baking tray, skin side down. Brush the teriyaki glaze generously over the salmon, ensuring it's evenly coated. The glaze will give our salmon a beautiful caramelized finish. Now, pop the tray into the oven and let it bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked to perfection. To add a little extra flavor and crunch, sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top. And there you have it, our mouth-watering teriyaki salmon is ready to be enjoyed. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.